The following is an instructional video showing how to replace the lamp in your NEC projector. This lamp is available at Pureland Supply. Make sure you unplug the projector before beginning the process. Also, you should place it on a soft surface. First, remove the screw that holds the lamp door in place. Slowly remove the lamp door. Next, loosen the mounting screws on the lamp. You just need to loosen the mounting screws. They won't come all the way out of the lamp. Carefully remove the old lamp and set aside. We recommend that you vacuum out any dust inside the lamp compartment at this point. Now is also a good time to clean out the projector's air filters. Guide the new lamp into place, making sure it is fully seated. Tighten the mounting screws. Take care when putting the lamp door back in place. Tighten the door screw. After changing lamps, you have to reset the projector's lamp timer. Check the manual for instructions. This lamp is available at www.PurelandSupply.com. Pureland Supply has been a trusted source for all types of projector lamps since 1997. Our lamps use Osram Sylvania, Philips, Ushio, or Phoenix bulbs. These are the same bulbs used by the original manufacturer, and they offer the same performance, lifetime, and brightness as an OEM lamp at a fraction of the cost. Please give us a call at 1-800-664-6671 or email us at sales@PurelandSupply.com. We look forward to speaking with you and becoming your reliable source for replacement projector lamps.